Welcome to a new video of the Strider's Adventures. Today is all about muscle power, incredible action, and of course a lot of furry friends. The place we found to set up our camp has amazing potential, but it requires a lot of work. We plan to do the dog fences up there, and for the time being we have to start by cleaning the forest, taking all the branches away and the timber out. All this forest work is completely new to us. It's the first time ever we will be towing the logs out of the woods, and there are many of them, which is great because we have all the timber we need to build things like the dog houses, and also we'll have all the firewood we'll need. Well, that first batch is done and we are very happy by the way it went, pretty easily. But there's far more waiting for us, and we just have to repeat while cleaning the forest and be ready to tow all the logs out. That was really a crazy job to do, and believe me, we haven't done it in one day, but it was definitely worth it. We just have so much wood, this is amazing. Time for a short break before we get back to work. Now it's all about cleaning the branches and making room, so later on we can tow the wood further down. This pile of birch wood is going to be used as firewood, and so we move it and store it in another location. Let's change our mind, it's time for a snack and our dose of our doggy friends. It's super important for us to spend quality time with our furry friends, because at the end of the day, that's why we're doing all the things we do. And here we go for the second part. So there's more timber to tow out, and all the way down this time to the spot where we will bring the portable sawmill later on. And here we go. Wow, what a good job done. That was quite challenging for us, and it's a hard job. But now it's high time for a little break. Let's go get some fresh air. And because it's so cool, we can still take the dogs for a wonderful run. And now here we go for the third and last part of that video. Let's finish off that job and take all the wood down to the place where it will be stored for the time being. a very good job done. Here we are, finished with this first batch of timber. There is of course much more waiting for us, and we'll repeat the same in a few weeks. But for the time being, the next thing on our plan is to build the dog fences, and that's what the next video will be about. Thanks very much guys for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to support the channel. We will be back very soon with new videos and new adventures of the Striders. In the meantime, take care, bye!